So I have the Roomba going, and there's dust on the floor. And it goes right over it and doesn't even pick it up. It doesn't even pick the dust up. It just knocks it around. It doesn't pick up the dust like it should. So when it gets in the corners, it doesn't look like it's touching the ground with the duster. It looked like it's hovering over the floor, but it doesn't seem like it's touching the floor because it goes over dust and it doesn't clean it. It doesn't pick it up. It doesn't pick it up. Watch this. Like it never went over it. So I'm not happy with it. It didn't pick up the dust like I thought it would. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, if I'm going to send it back. It's definitely not picking up. It's definitely not picking up. It's going right over it, but not picking up. See that? Goes right over it, but doesn't pick it up. Not good. I wouldn't buy it. Save your money. I would not buy it. You'll be quicker, cheaper, just to get a broom, a dust mop, and do it yourself. You'll be done with it rather than this going for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and can't even pick this dirt up. Alexa, stop Zumba. Alexa, pause Zumba. Alexa, pause Roomba. I do it myself. So there you have it. The Roomba. I just got it yesterday and used it yesterday and today. And now with the sun out, I can really see the floors and really see it's really not picking up the way that it should. I really don't know, but it's not picking up the way that it should. Because there's still debris. It's been over 40 minutes going over the floor. 40 minutes going over the floor. Nothing.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to clear your space and make sure that everything's picked up before you start to run the machine. This is a 600 series. The main thing that I want to tell you is that once you put it on a charger, the lights will go off after 60 seconds, the charging light, so that's pretty cool. It will go over pretty large humps. It ran over my whole foot and kept going. If it gets stuck, it will turn around. It goes up under my bed and everything pretty well. The one thing that it did do, is supposed to keep a 90-minute charge, and it's supposed to run the whole time, and then after it's done, you empty it. However, it did stop under my bed, and it started talking, telling me to call a 1-800 number, and that was because it was already full. So it gave like a little signal. Also, before the little machine, when I was connecting it to my Alexa, which it does have that capability, when I was connecting it to my Alexa, it kind of started going by itself somehow. I don't know if I pressed the button, and then these cords were down, and it pretty much sucked up the cords, and it stopped and gave me an alert that it needed to be cleaned, like the bristles need to be cleaned. It's a pretty smart machine. I'm really happy to have it. I got it for Prime Day. You can see the floors, like it's hitting the spot, you know. I love it. Like I said, clear your space. My sister, she had hers forever, and when I got mine, I'm like, you better use it. But clear your space. She's a clutter person, so it didn't work out for her because she always have stuff on the floor. But I hope you like this video. Oh yeah, it came boxed very nicely. Don't pay attention to my room. This is about the product. All right, bye-bye.
That's a lot of stuff. How did it just go past that? It passed it. Skip that. Oh, we got that little piece. All that stuff stuck on there. I got a bunch of junk here. Let's see if it gets this stuff. See what it does. I got kids, so excuse my house.
But that's the reason why I got a Roomba. I don't know. I like it.
No, cara. ¿Eh? Me parece que te quiero ir a la casa. No, ahora por levantarla y meter la cocina, ya se le quemaron los papeles en la cabeza.
Twenty minutes it's been doing this.
This is my quick demonstration of the iRobot Roomba 692. Before I go ahead and get started, I want to showcase that I've kind of cleared the area. I've noticed a quick issue with this robot vacuum is it sometimes can get caught on, say, computer cords or iPhone cords that are hanging around, so it's important to clear that out first. You can go ahead and activate it using the mobile app on your phone, or you can use the on button right there at the top. The app is helpful for, say, scheduling what time of day you want the robot to go ahead and clean your space. The robot will also get to know your space over time, and they're even open source software, so you can go ahead and edit the code if you see fit. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to just go ahead and manually turn it on.
As you can tell, it's been cleaning this one spot for the past 5, almost 10 minutes. And it can't seem to figure out that it can't go up there. I've had to help it multiple times. Guys, I don't think it's worth the money, honestly. Oh my God, are we actually gonna leave this one spot? Let's see. Dang.
No matter how hard I try to get this thing to charge, see how that green light? It just won't stay on. So I don't even know if it's charging. I don't understand. They're pretty clean. I mean, I'm constantly wiping these off, so there's no dust or dirt. But it's not doing anything. Like, I don't understand. Just charge. Oh, there we go. Finally. Let's see how long that lasts.
I've asked it to go home a half hour ago, and this is what it's doing.
Yeah. And then it rolls off the docking station and it won't charge. And then you can push it right back up, and then it just does the same exact thing. And then this doesn't turn on, this doesn't do anything, that doesn't do anything, nothing.
What you think, Sadie? What you guys think? Okay. Good girl, Sadie. Come on.
Alexa, tell Linda to clean the floors.
Okay, here's our robot home. Okay, Linda has started working.
I'm thinking this is some type of belt for my iRobot because this is the second time I've used it. I've used it 3 times, so this is the second time that I've seen something similar to this after it leaves the carpet. So I'll have to double check as to where that's coming from.
Kaya hindi ako tin. Lucy, yung ba naman sa iyo? Ako sa Lucy.
You ready? Uh-oh.